Have you ever gone to the third page or second page of Google search while looking out for anything? No, right? Most of the time you find any result, whatever you're looking, on the first page of Google search. And this is even the statistics of Google search says that approximately 94% of all results comes from the first page itself. 94% of all clicks happens from the first page, and then 4% something from second, and then remaining from the third, and so on. So if you yourself never go to the second or third page of Google search, how can you expect an employer or a recruiter to go to the second or third page of a job site to look for you? How can you assume that somebody will be looking out for you while your resume is, coming in third or fourth position of a job website? It will never happen. The candidates who come right on the first page, the top 20 candidates who come right on the first page while an employer is searching for that candidate after putting his query in terms of location, skill sets, job salary match, they have the highest probability of getting interview calls. But guys, there is a very small hack which you guys can implement to make sure that more than 70% of the times your resume always comes on the first page of a job site. What you need to do is a very small basic thing. So suppose we are on a job site, and let's take example that we are on Indeed. What you need to do is every day morning, or whatever time you decide, every day morning you come, you replace this resume with exactly maybe the same resume every day. So you just click on replace and you select the resume, even if you have not made any change in that resume, and you select and upload that resume every day morning. And what will happen is the system, the job site will consider that now you have updated your resume, which means that you have the most updated resume today. And when any recruiter or an employer searching for candidates, they mostly put a filter of people who have recently updated their resume. Nobody wants to see a profile which is, say, 10 days old, a week old, 1 month old. Similarly, just like you guys, you don't apply for jobs which are more than 1 month old. You apply for the fresh ones, jobs which have just recently posted. Similarly, the recruiters are also looking for candidates who have just recently updated their resume. So if you do this every day morning, every day you are just uploading the same resume, what will happen is at recruiter's end, your resume will always come as the most recently updated resume, and your chances to appear on the first page will really go up. That's it, as a tip from my side to achieve and get your dream job.